Welcome to Mr. Khan English Channel.
Subscribe and let's learn English together.
Another Monday. I hope today goes well. I didn't sleep well. Today will be a busy day.
Good morning. You look tired.
Yes, I have a big project today.
Don't worry too much.
I'll do my best.
Good morning, Dad!
Good morning, Princess.
Buddy is always happy. He makes every morning better. Good morning, Dad!
Good morning, my little sunshine.
Buddy woke up before me.
He always has more energy than us.
Let's have breakfast together.
That sounds perfect.
Eat well before school.
Everything smells delicious.
Dad, will you come home early today?
I will try my best.
I miss playing football with you, Dad.
I miss it too, Ben.
Have a wonderful day.
I'll see you this evening.
Don't work too hard, Dad.
I'll try my best. See you later, buddy. Another busy morning. Stay focused. I hope everything goes well. I need to stay positive. I'll come home early today. I promise. Time to get to work. Let's do my best. Good morning.
Good morning, David.
You look exhausted. I almost lived here last night. I heard we have a huge project. How huge?
Attention, everyone. Please report to the meeting room.
Here we go. I hope this is good news. I don't think it is. Good morning, everyone.
Something feels serious.
We have the biggest project of this year. Wow! The deadline is today at 6 p.m. That's impossible. You will handle the financial report, client files, and final summary. Yes, sir. I understand. That's a lot of work. I think it's too much. We don't have enough time. I'll try anyway. I need to finish this on time. No mistakes allowed.
Send it fast.
We're running out of time. This is going to take forever. Stay focused. No time for lunch. I have to finish this.
You should take a break.
I can't, not now.
Your health matters too. Don't forget your family. You don't have to do everything alone.
But the deadline is too close.
Asking for help is not weakness. It is teamwork.
Maybe she is right. I can't do this alone.
How is your day going?
Very busy. I'm trying my best.
Dad, will you come home early today?
I will try. David! I need you in my office. I have to go. I'll call you later. One more task for you. Another one? This is too much. I don't know if I can finish. Maybe I can't do this alone. I heard that. Jack, can you help me? Of course, buddy.
Let's split the tasks.
Finally, a good plan. This is much better.
Now we can finish on time.
Almost done. This is looking great.
Everything must be perfect. We are almost there.
It's done. Finally. Everything is complete, sir. All ready? Excellent work. You all did very well. I gave you too much work. Next time, I will divide it properly.
Dad is home!
I'm finally home on time.
Can we play now?
Yes, let's go!
This is the best evening.
I agree.
Today feels peaceful.
It really does. I learned something important today. We should never do everything alone.
Teamwork is important.
And family is everything.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next story. Subscribe for more fun English stories.